Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video we are going to solve this Olympiad math question. A power a is equals to 16. Let's provide solution very quickly, but by trying to find the number by using mental calculation. This is a number multiply itself. First of all, let us start from 1. When you say 1 times 1, this is equals to 1, right? We have 2 times power 2. Sorry, this is 2 power 2. This is equal to, this is equals to 4. And if you have 3 power 3, this is equal to 27. To mean that the number is between 4 and 27. We cannot think it right now. And then at this moment, we're going to apply natural logarithm of ln a power a is equals to ln of 16. Then, of course, we shall say ln a will be ln 16. Right? Then at this stage, we are going to apply here in this equation. For this question, we're going to apply Olympiad function, which says that Olympiad function of a, then e power ln a, right? By, for example, here we have by a, this is equals to a. This is what we have right here, okay? But of course, here we shall say not find this value of a in order to have this e. We know that here our a will be e power ln a. E power ln a is equals to a. That is why we're going to replace this one. We have right here e power ln a times ln a will be ln 16. By rearranging, we shall say ln a times e power ln a will be ln 16. At this moment, if you are seeing this way, we have a, which is this one, and we have a, which is this one, right? We can apply Olympiad function. Olympiad function of ln a times e power ln a will be Olympiad function of ln 16, right? Then, of course, we shall say that when we apply this one, it is equal to a, and our a here is ln a. Then ln a will be Olympiad function of ln 16, right? Then at this stage, here we can apply e power ln a will be e power Olympiad function of ln 16. E power ln a, of course, this is a, which is equal to e power Olympiad function of ln 16, right? Of course, here at this stage, a is approximately equals to 2.75436 as the final answer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe.